Beginner investing mistakes you must avoid. Hey everyone, welcome back to Finance in Sticks. And if you've been following the series, you now know why to invest, how to invest, and where to invest. But today, we're talking about something that's very important. The mistakes beginners make that can destroy your progress. If you're new to investing, you'll want to avoid these, trust me. The first mistake is starting without a plan, jumping into investing without knowing your goals, risk tolerance, or time frame is like driving without a map. Before you invest, ask, what am I investing for? How much risk can I handle? How long can I leave my money invested? A plan keeps you from making emotional decisions and financial mistakes. Mistake 2, investing money you can't afford to lose. Your rent money, emergency savings, or school fees should not be in risky investments, or even in any investment at all. Always invest extra money, not money you'll need soon. If you invest money you need, you might be forced to sell at the worst time, and that's not good. It's wiser to invest surplus funds or explore alternative income streams rather than dipping into emergency savings, school fees, or rent money. So if you don't have a source of income, it's better you don't venture into investments. Mistake 3. Chasing quick profits. New investors often chase hype, a hot stock, a trending crypto, or a sure thing tip from a friend. The problem? You're usually late to the party, and you end up buying high and selling low. Real wealth is built slowly, not overnight. Mistake 4. Not diversifying. Putting all your money into one stock, one coin, or one property is risky. If that one thing fails, you lose big. Spread your money across different investments, like stocks, bonds, maybe real estate, to reduce risk. Mistake 5. Ignoring fees. Some investments come with high fees, brokerage fees, management fees, or transaction costs. Over time, these eat into your profits. Always know the costs before you invest. Mistake 6. Timing the market. Trying to guess the perfect time to buy or sell is almost impossible. Even experts get it wrong. Instead, focus on investing consistently, like every month, so you catch both highs and lows. Mistake 7. Selling in a panic. When markets drop, many beginners panic and sell to stop the loss. But if the investment is good long-term, selling locks in your loss. Stay calm, review your plan, and remember, downturns are normal. Mistake 8. Not continuing to learn. Investing isn't a one-time lesson. Markets change, new opportunities come, and you need to keep learning so you don't lose track. Read, watch videos, and follow credible sources. Knowledge is your best protection. How to avoid these mistakes? Here's how to protect yourself as a beginner. Start with a clear plan. Think long-term. Only invest extra money. Diversify your portfolio. Invest consistently. Watch your fees. Keep learning. If you can avoid these beginner mistakes, you'll save yourself a lot of stress and lost money. In our next video, we'll talk about simple strategies you can use to grow your investments without making things complicated and frustrating. Like this video if it helped you, comment which mistake you think most beginners make, and subscribe so you don't miss the rest of the series. See you in the next one.